To me, justice means safe and vibrant communities where people have access to quality schools, quality healthcare, quality parks, quality public transportation, quality housing. Justice means that everyone gets a fair shake and they're treated with dignity and respect regardless of their circumstances, and that someone is there to advocate on their behalf if they need help.
For me, justice is peace, and it relates to everything that Cheryl said. It's the chance for people to live the life that they want to in the way that they want to, and feel safe and secure in their choices and in their lives and their world. My work at the College of Law is focused on training the next generation of public interest law attorneys. So we are working with the law students who know that there is this access to justice issue in our communities and in our country, and want to respond. We have a few clinics that we're able to help people in the community, but by and large, we're focused on the training of the students, and so our students can't take clients. And so we have to talk to these community members about the other resources out there. And we're lucky to be in Chicago with such a vibrant legal aid community. And I think, our first resource that we always turn to is Illinois Legal Aid Online. But I'd also say we know that not everyone has a computer and can access this resource. And so with that in mind, 2 years ago, we started the Neighborhood Legal Assistance Project.
The Neighborhood Legal Assistance Project, or NLAP, is a pro bono help desk that takes place in the South Loop. The exciting thing about it is, one, it helps homeless people, folks who normally wouldn't be able to access an attorney if not for NLAP, but it also uses law students who go out and volunteer every other Saturday morning. So every other Saturday, approximately 6 to 8 law students go out and volunteer with a supervising attorney. They set up a help desk at the food program. And we assist clients with a range of things. And we use Illinois Legal Aid Online when we do that. Our students come with laptops, and we have an internet access while we're there. So students are looking up forms and information and giving out referrals. So at bottom, NLAP is an access to justice project, and one that I think has inspired and touched the lives of many of our students. And hopefully they'll go on to become future public interest attorneys as well as pro bono attorneys.
I participated in a volunteer program after I graduated from college at the Homeless Advocacy Project in San Francisco, and I took the next few years, and then I took time in law school to really explore different social justice issues, and I was sort of waiting for one to really shine, to be my issue, and what I found instead was, with each agency that I worked at, I found the work compelling. I found the clients so wonderful, and the attorneys that I was working with were wonderful. And I just kept finding a series of agencies and issues that I could see myself working at. And I was very lucky because in that time, Professor Len Kavis was working with some students at DePaul and was able to secure a donation to start the Center for Public Interest Law. And I realized in applying for that job that I had a chance to support this whole movement, to help law students on their path of becoming public interest law attorneys, and to help people in need, people who were facing all the obstacles we talked about before and didn't have the resources other than these agencies for an attorney.
I went to law school with a very clear goal in mind, to make a difference in the lives of children and families. And I think that goal or objective has stuck with me to this day. I think it stems mainly from my direct experience working with children and families before law school. I had a great opportunity to work at a homeless shelter in Rogers Park, to work with children and families there. And I also worked with children in the foster care system, both in a residential treatment center and as a child welfare caseworker. So I definitely wanted to come out of law school and make a difference. And fortunately at DePaul, I've been able to do just that. Through my role as the director of the Pro Bono and Community Service Program, I've been able to collaborate with legal aid agencies, churches, schools, the bar, to develop and manage pro bono and community service opportunities that impact the lives of the most vulnerable people in our society, including children and families.
Crucial, cutting edge, and community.
Innovative, supportive, and empowering.